Hello, every learner around the world. Welcome back to English on the Go. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Oliver. It's great to have you with us again.
Today, we're going to learn some useful English for the bank.
Yes. How to ask questions, talk to a bank worker, and do simple things like opening an account or getting cash.
But first, Oliver, you looked a bit stressed when you walked in. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay now, but this morning was a little crazy.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to the ATM to get some cash before coming here and guess what?
It didn't work?
Worse, I forgot my bank card at home.
Oh no.
I walked all the way there, pressed all the buttons, and then nothing. No card, no cash. Just me, standing there like a confused robot.
Aw, poor Oliver. That's the kind of day when you really need a second coffee.
Or a second brain.
Well, that fits today's topic, right?
Totally. Today we'll help you talk about money and banks in simple English.
You'll hear a woman who wants to open a bank account, and the bank employee helps her step by step.
Yes, very interesting.
This dialogue is full of useful words like deposit, withdraw, balance, and more.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Just listen, relax, and try to catch the main idea.
We'll explain all the words right after the dialogue.
Ready? Let's go to the bank without forgetting anything this time.
Here it comes. Dialogue, immersion.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. I'll need to see your ID and ask you to fill out this form.
Okay, here's my ID, and I'll fill out the form now.
Great. Please also write your signature at the bottom.
Done. Can I deposit some money today?
Yes, of course. How much would you like to deposit?
$300, please.
Okay. Your account is now open and the money has been added. Your current balance is $300.
Perfect. Can I also withdraw cash from the ATM?
Yes, just use your new card at any ATM to get cash.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Okay, that was a really nice and simple dialogue.
Yeah, I liked how calm the bank worker was. Very polite and helpful.
And now, it's time to go over some useful words from that conversation.
Right. We're going to explain each one with easy examples. So don't worry, everything will make sense.
Okay, let's start with the first word. The word account.
Yes. What is an account, Oliver?
So, an account is like a place where you keep your money in the bank.
For example, I want to open a new bank account.
Olivia, do you remember when you opened your first bank account?
Yes, I was 18. I felt so grown up.
Next, we have the word open.
When we say open an account, we don't mean open like a door.
Right. In this dialogue, it means to start or create something.
For example, he wants to open an account to save money.
Now we have deposit. This means to put money into your account.
Yes? You give money to the bank, and they add it to your balance.
For example, I'd like to deposit $100, please.
And the opposite of deposit is,
Withdraw. It means to take money out of your account.
for example, she needs to withdraw some cash to buy groceries.
Olivia, you said the word balance. What does that mean?
That means how much money you have in your account.
Yes, it goes up when you deposit and down when you withdraw.
For example, my balance is only $20. I need more money. For the next word, we have ID.
That means your identification, like a passport or an ID card.
Banks need to see your ID to know who you are.
For example, please show your ID to open an account. Okay, now let's talk about the word form.
Yes. A form is a paper with questions. You fill it out with your information.
For example, please fill out this form with your name and address.
Next, signature. That's when you write your name in your special way.
usually at the bottom of a paper or contract.
For example, please put your signature here. Next is a very useful one. ATM.
It's the machine outside the bank where you can get cash or check your balance.
For example, I went to the ATM to get some money. And the last word is cash. That means money in notes and coins.
Not your card, not digital money. Real paper money.
For example, do you want to pay by card or with cash?
Great job. Now you know 10 useful bank words. You can use it right away.
And now that you understand them, let's go back and listen to the dialogue again.
Yes, it'll be much easier now. Let's play it one more time.
Let's go.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. I'll need to see your ID and ask you to fill out this form.
Okay, here's my ID, and I'll fill out the form now.
Great. Please also write your signature at the bottom.
Done. Can I deposit some money today?
Yes, of course. How much would you like to deposit?
$300, please.
Okay. Your account is now open and the money has been added. Your current balance is $300.
Perfect. Can I also withdraw cash from the ATM?
Yes, just use your new card at any ATM to get cash.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Now it's time for our favorite part. Shadowing practice.
Yes. This is where you get to speak out loud and repeat each line from the dialogue with us.
It's okay if you're shy, just try your best. Speak slowly, copy how we say the words, and have fun.
We'll say each line. Then you pause the podcast, or wait, and repeat after us.
Ready?
Let's go to the bank again.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to open a bank account.
I'll need to see your ID and ask you to fill out this form.
Here's my ID. I'll fill out the form now.
Please also write your signature at the bottom.
Can I deposit some money today?
How much would you like to deposit?
$300, please.
Your account is now open.
And the money has been added.
Your current balance is $300.
Can I also withdraw cash from the ATM?
Just use your new card at any ATM to get cash.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. Awesome job. You just shadowed a full conversation in English.
And every time you repeat, your English speaking and listening skills get better and better.
Try it again if you want. Practice makes progress.
And that's a wrap on today's episode. You made it all the way through. Well done.
Yeah, you learned how to talk at the bank, ask questions, and use super useful words like deposit, balance, and ATM.
And if you want to review the words or the dialogue, don't forget, we've prepared a free PDF just for you.
You'll find it in the description below. It has the full script, all the vocabulary and space to take your own notes.
And hey, if you liked today's episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
That really helps us keep going and creating more fun lessons for you.
So, what's coming up next?
Next time we're hopping on the bus, or maybe the train. Our episode will be all about taking public transportation.
We'll learn how to ask for tickets, find your stop, and ask questions if you're lost. Because let's be honest, we all get confused sometimes.
Totally! It's going to be a super helpful episode, so don't miss it.
Thanks again for joining us on our podcast.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time on
English
on the
go.
Your study doesn't stop here. You can continue to progress by clicking on the next video or my suggested video selected for you.